Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tam. Welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how I created this t-shirt using my Siser Heat Press Machine. If you're interested, keep watching. I purchased this heat press from Michael's during the pandemic in 2020, but I did not start using it until 2021. Crazy, right? I wanted to add a new service to my brand, making t-shirts and masks. These are the items I'll be using to create this t-shirt. My design was created in Cricut Design Space. Using my Explorer Air 2 to cut the vinyl. Now it's time to start weeding my design. This heat press is great for beginners like myself. Because it's 9 by 12 in size, it can fit almost anywhere. The foam grip handle is easy to pull up. Adjustable pressure allows you to apply on items depending on the thickness. It has a digital display which allows you to adjust the temperature setting and set a timer for your t-shirts. Okay, so it do takes about 10 to 15 minutes for the machine to heat up. Well, I guess it's okay. I press the shirt for about 15 seconds. The machine beeps to let you know that it's ready. The vinyl was a cool peel, so I'm just gonna let it sit till it's time to peel. All right, my shirt is complete. As you can see, it was so easy to use this machine. This is a great starter heat press. For those who want to make t-shirts, I think that this is a great start. So if you guys enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you do have a heat press, what type of heat press you have. I do have another heat press in mind on my wish list, which is the StarCraft. Hopefully I'll receive one soon. Thanks for watching, you guys.